Welcome to EduVident.com, your ultimate learning platform. In this video, I will show you how to easily navigate the website and access your courses. In the search bar, type EduVident. Then click on the EduVident.com. As soon as you open EduVident.com, you will find the top navigation bar with options like Home, About Us, Courses, Blog, and more. These sections provide important information and guidelines. To start learning, click on the Get Started button. A pop-up will appear allowing you to log in with Google or close the window. To log in, click on the Login button. Then select your account. Then press Continue. Once you log in successfully, the website will automatically scroll to the course section, displaying all available courses. From here, you can browse and select a course. Click on a course. Once you choose a course, the main page will open. On the left side, you will see list of available chapters. Simply click on a chapter and its content will be displayed on the right. For smooth navigation, you will find the Home, Courses, Test, and Logout button, making it easy to move around the platform. If you click on the Home button, you will be taken back to the Home. But now, instead of Get Started button, you will see a new button, Continue. Clicking on Continue will take back to the Courses section, where you can pick up right where you left off and select your preferred courses. And that's a quick walkthrough of EduVident.com. Now you can easily explore, enroll, and start learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.